Hi everybody, welcome back to another business analysis video. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to become a better business analyst. Whether you're transitioning, whether you're new, or whether you're an experienced BA, we're going to talk about how to level up your career, how to excel in your career as a business analyst. Let's get straight into it. So, as a person with a growth mindset, now you wouldn't really aspire to become better in whatever you're currently doing without having a growth mindset. So if you always aspire to be better, it means you have a growth mindset, okay? So as somebody with growth mindset, this question probably crosses your mind frequently. But why? Why does it cross your mind at all? One reason is that you might feel stagnant in your current role. You may also want to learn something new, and you may also want a new challenge or a change of scenery. So these are various reasons why you could ask your question about how to become better, how to grow in your career. And generally, people with growth mindset ask that question: what next? I've done this now. What is the next thing? We always ask that question. What next? How do you navigate your next steps to keep your work, to keep your role fulfilling? How to gain that fulfillment in your role? What is the next step? We always aim for more than the stars. Shoot for the stars, or shoot further than the stars. This is what people with growth mindset have, and this is what you have, okay? As a new business analyst, as an aspiring business analyst, as a seasoned business analyst. So exactly how do you do this? How do you actually become a business analyst? Number one, the first thing you need to do is to understand the career path you want. What exactly is the type of business analyst you want to become? Okay? Where exactly do you want to end up in your career as a business analyst? Not necessarily to end up, but what is your next step before the next step, okay? We have to take it step by step. Again, this generally will depend on your strengths, on your skills, on your interests, on the opportunities available, okay? So what do you have to do for this in understanding the career paths? You need to explore the various career paths for business analysts. Are you more process minded? Are you more technical minded? What type of business analyst do you want to be? Say you're currently a junior BA. Do you want to become mid-level? Or what is your highest goal to reach? Do you want to be a C-level employee? Okay? Do you want to be a C-level business analyst? Do you want to be a chief information officer? Yes, you can do it. But in order to reach that goal, what are your tactics? What are the strategies? You already have your objectives, or you already have your goal. What are the strategies and tactics that you would apply to reach that? So from being a junior BA, you can't just jump to senior BA at once, okay? You need to learn, you need to grow, you need to experience. So what is your next step? Your next step is mid-level BA. What type of mid-level BA do you want to be? Do you want to be technical BA? Do you want to be process BA? Do you want to be an architect, a solutions architect? All the various types of business analysts. I have a video already about the BA career paths, which I'll link for you to go and watch so that you understand what various career paths exist for business analysts. Number two, how do you become better? You can't become better on your own. You need influence. You need somebody, okay? So number two is find a mentor and or a career coach. Find somebody you can trust, somebody who understands your journey, somebody who can guide you, somebody with experience, okay? Somebody you can see regularly and ask your day-to-day questions, someone who can get to know you, like I mentioned, who gets to know your work, exactly what you do in your role, somebody to guide you and help you through that journey of the business analysis career path. Ideally, someone you currently work with, a former colleague, or an experienced business analyst like moi. Somebody you can trust, and somebody you can build that ongoing bond as you evolve in your career. This is what a mentor does. Somebody with the experience in the same field that you're reaching to. And before you find this person, before you have that interaction with this person, try to have an idea of what exactly you want to accomplish before the sessions with your mentor or your coach. The third step, how to become a better business analyst: take classes. You have to invest in yourself, self-investment. So take classes to help improve your existing skills. Take classes to help you add new skills to your CV, okay? Learn from other business analysts. You're already doing this. You're already watching the YouTube videos. Well done. You're already on the journey to becoming a better business analyst. So give yourself a tap on the back. You're really doing well so far, okay? Invest in your career goals. Invest, pay for something. You know, it's said that people who pay for things tend to put in the work. Because you've paid for it, you've worked hard and you've paid for it, you will put in the work because you don't want your money to go to waste. People who only have access to free things, they don't have the plan, or they don't really follow the plan because you feel that it's free and it's always available, so you can do it as and when. But when you've paid for something, you have a set plan and you have a set goal because you want to know how long you're paying for it for and what are you getting out of it. Okay, so as much as there are all these existing free guidance for becoming a business analyst, try to invest, take the classes, take the courses, become certified. It will also add to your confidence, trust me, as a business analyst. There's also LinkedIn Learning. There's also, what's the other one called? Udemy. There's all these short courses you can do to sort of build your knowledge, but also take the industry standard certifications seriously. Earn certifications. Number 4, volunteer for challenging projects. Volunteer for challenging projects. This is easier if you're in a current role, whether unrelated or related to business analysis, okay? Try to offer your inputs on projects and try to find yourself in a place that is outside your comfort zone. This is how you face challenges. And placing yourself in these situations will help you learn with skilled colleagues. You're learning from them. See if you can find projects within where you are, where you can communicate with existing business analysts, existing technical teams, so that you can learn and have that opportunity to contribute to existing projects. Ask questions so that you gain more experience and establish yourself as someone who takes initiative. Ask questions around where you are. If you want to become a business analyst and you haven't yet, volunteer for projects where you currently work. Find avenues to gain that experience so that you can have something to put on your CV and you have justification for it, okay? And finally, number 5, although I mentioned in number 3 to take classes, you also need to invest in your soft skills, your qualities and your interpersonal skills, such as conflict resolution, such as communication, such as negotiation skills, such as stakeholder engagement and relationship building skills. There's a lot of these soft skills trainings or courses on LinkedIn Learning. There's a lot of it. Again, you just have to invest in that. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, I really don't know what you're waiting for. Click the subscribe button so that you can be updated whenever I upload videos. At the same time, don't forget to like and share this video. You'll never know who it might help. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one.